Suggestions for future meetings, English language learning. Welcome to our English language learning series. In this video, we will focus on the topic of suggestions for future meetings, as part of our series on greetings and introductions. Learning how to suggest future meetings is an important skill when it comes to building relationships and maintaining connections. So, let's dive in and learn some useful phrases and expressions to suggest future meetings in English. When you want to suggest a future meeting, it's essential to be polite and clear. Here are some key phrases you can use. We should get together sometime. How about meeting up next week? Would you like to grab a cup of coffee sometime? I'd love to continue this conversation over lunch. Are you available? Remember to use modal verbs such as should, could, or would to make your suggestions more polite and less direct. Adding a specific time frame or activity can make your suggestion more concrete and appealing to the other person. When someone suggests a future meeting to you, it's important to respond appropriately. Here are some useful phrases to respond to suggestions. That sounds great. I'd love to meet up. I'm available on day or day. Which one works best for you? I'd be happy to grab a cup of coffee with you. When are you free? Let's definitely continue this conversation over lunch. How about day? By acknowledging the suggestion positively and offering specific availability options, you demonstrate your interest and willingness to meet. Remember to be flexible and considerate when suggesting alternative dates or activities. Once you have agreed on a future meeting, it's time to make arrangements. Here are some practical phrases to help you. Shall we meet at location? What time works best for you? Should I bring anything? I'll make a reservation at the restaurant for us. Using these phrases, you can discuss the meeting location, finalize the time, and clarify any additional details, such as whether to bring something or if there are specific arrangements to be made. Being proactive in making arrangements shows your commitment to the meeting. As the conversation about future meetings comes to an end, it's important to leave on a positive note and express your enthusiasm. Here are some closing phrases you can use. I'm really looking forward to seeing you next day. Thanks for suggesting this. I can't wait to meet up. It was great talking with you. Let's catch up soon. I'll see you at location at time. Take care. These closing statements express your excitement and anticipation for the upcoming meeting, leaving a positive impression on the other person. Congratulations! You have learned some valuable phrases and expressions for suggesting future meetings in English. Remember to be polite, clear, and considerate when making suggestions, responding to suggestions, and making arrangements. Practice these phrases in your conversations to become more confident in suggesting and planning future meetings. Stay tuned for more exciting English language learning videos in our series. Happy learning! Closing music and a friendly goodbye.